Good morning. Yesterday, as you remember, we did this section here, and I went ahead and did the bottom portion of it this morning because, you should be able to figure out that you grind that section there to make the bottom part of the pick, So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually cut off this section to complete the hook. And I have my little tool here, so this goes out, all fair warning to everyone out there with sensitive hearing and stuff like that. So here we go. I'm gonna do the button, so make sure that your sound is down, okay? Maybe I'm overreacting, I don't know. Okay, here we go. Alright, now what we got to do is we have to go back to the grinding wheel because we're through cutting. So let's go back to this was a heavier duty cutting wheel. Sometimes you can dress these and sometimes you don't have to. That was pretty smooth. So what we do now, I'm going to pause the video here and try to finish up. Okay, I finished up. Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to that's about it. What I do now is I spend probably 3, 4, 5 hours with this stone right here, and I go through and I just hone it. I keep everything wet. everything wet. Okay. I would say spend some time with a honing tool. And then what I normally do is, let me see here if I can get out my sheet of stuff. What I do then is I'll spend some time with my tool and I will do the inside of it. You see there how you have a mark here. Let me see here. You have a mark here, you have a skip spot, and then you have another mark there, which means this thing is not round yet. So you have to keep on working on it. And then, let me see here. We're going to fire the machine back up again, so hold your ears. Okay, that's a good starting point. That's a good starting point. Now what you do is you get back on this paper again. Just find a clean spot. And basically for all intents and purposes, and this video is almost 9 minutes long, that's pretty close. We ain't done yet, but the video is. I'll talk with you all some other time.